up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Hope, and today I am with my sister. I brought her along because she's the most basic bitch I know for the most basic bitch video. So we just have a ton of pumpkin spice flavored stuff, or like there's some that are caramel apple and stuff, just like fall flavors, I guess. And we're going to be trying everything. I'm gonna throw up.
Same.
Ate a lot early. Lena is like going ham on the spoon.
What they say?
So first we have the pumpkin spice bagel with pumpkin spice cream cheese.
Oh, I didn't know it was pumpkin spice bagel.
Yeah.
I have it on my mouth.
This video's going well.
Yeah. Starting off good.
I'm literally a person.
I like the cream cheese.
Yeah.
It's good.
I'm gonna end up eating this whole thing.
Honestly, can't really tell the bagels pumpkin spice.
I'm sure if it had just regular cream cheese or butter, you'd probably be able to tell more.
The cream cheese is good. I like that. I like it.
10 out of 10.
That was literally I was just about to say 10 out of 10.
10 pumpkins out of 10 pumpkins. Now we have just regular coffee with pumpkin spice creamer.
Yeah. Delicious.
I didn't put enough in it. I feel like it just tastes like regular coffee.
Yeah, literally cannot taste
And the ice melted already, so
yeah,
watered it down.
Cannot taste that at all.
Would not recommend that pumpkin spice creamer. The
natural bliss.
Natural.
Literally just tastes like vanilla creamer. What is this?
Now we have Tazo chai pumpkin spice latte tea thing.
I hate tea, so I'm not gonna enjoy this.
You might, you never know.
Oh, I just hit my tooth.
Oh.
Not about that. Not about that. And I barely took any.
See, I like that.
Oh, I don't like tea at all in the slightest.
I love tea. Oh, I like this.
No, thank you. The cookies.
That's not even pumpkin flavored. It just has pumpkin on them.
I want them before I get too full. A little hard.
Full of
delicious. 10 out of 10.
10 pumpkins out of 10 pumpkins.
Yeah, 10 pumpkins out of 10 pumpkins. I'm for it. Wow. I'm not gonna be able to eat all this. Alright.
Yeah, it's a
we'll
lot.
try these next. We'll split one.
Yeah. Mom already ate them.
Oh, caramel apple stuff, some of it really grosses me out. Yeah. So I don't know how
like artificial apple flavor.
Yeah, so I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this.
Lena's like, I like
here. No, I'm sorry, baby. Ugh.
It smells good. It's not bad. It's weird texture.
Holy shit!
She really wants it.
She came out like 8 swinging. That's like a 4. 4 out of 10 pumpkins.
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah. Ugh. Good try. These.
Okay. Oh,
I love those little.
Yeah, these little muffins are the best.
Pumpkin muffins? Too bad you can't have one.
She said, yes I can.
She wishes. Oh my god, I'm gonna be so sick after this. I can feel it already. I don't like those taste at all. I hate those.
No. Zero. Ooh. And it's like turns into a paste.
It does not taste like pumpkin at all.
Let's do the cupcakes because they're in front of me.
She's pinched me with her feet.
Zoe!
Oh, what the actual fuck? Get down!
Oh god. Oh no.
Oh, if you break my light, I'll break your life.
Jesus. Help.
That was good.
Again, it's like alright. The icing is overpowering the cupcake, so I can't really taste the pumpkin. It's like meh. I give it like a 3 out of 10.
I 3, yeah. This is okay.
Like it's fine. I wouldn't go out of my way to give it.
No, they're okay. Let's do the marshmallow. Because it just doesn't sound like it's gonna be good.
Yeah. It also kind of smells like dog food.
The texture is disgusting.
Yeah, I hate the texture of marshmallows.
This is the worst one. Cheers.
Yeah. I hate it. Oh. Nope. No. Nope.
That does not taste like pumpkin.
Not for me. I hate marshmallows. I don't know why I did that.
It tastes disgusting. Like, not like pumpkin at all, though. This one's really gonna gross me out, and I don't know why. It's like too much for me right now, you know?
Well, let's do it. Get
like,
it out of the way.
Russia. Oh, let's answer a call from Russia. Hello?
Hello, this is Connor. I'm in
A job for where?
I'm with EDU Master and Express Want to be removed, and I show here that we have multiple jobs available in your area. What type of job are you looking for?
I'm a stay-at-home mom. I don't work. What the fuck? From Russia? Where did he say it was from?
I had no idea.
As I got a call from Russia, I was getting a call from Indiana.
It literally sounded like whenever he said company, he was like, blah, blah, blah.
I swear to God.
I was just gonna bite this in half.
We have jobs in your area? Did I apply?
It's straight up, like whenever you asked him what company, he was like, blah, blah, blah.
I don't work.
All right, okay.
Someone's freaking me out. Ew, you just rubbed your lips all over that. I don't want that shit. Eat it.
I taste no pumpkin.
Oh, it's too much for me right now.
Not even the slightest.
It's too much for me right now. Oh my God, I literally feel like I'm gonna throw up with all this stuff. I gotta spit it out. I love those, but I'm just having a...
I taste absolutely no pumpkin at all.
They taste normal, like a regular milk chocolate one. I like those, but with everything else I just ate, too freaking much. Too much for me.
Yeah, it's good. I would still say
it literally tastes milk chocolate.
My only thing is it doesn't taste anything like pumpkin, so I have to give it a 0 because this is a pumpkin taste test.
Absolutely. It's, yeah, not a fan.
Yeah, it's just
for pumpkin.
But yeah,
fan
in general,
like, yes.
Yeah, but
same.
Okay, we already tried like all of this. That's why half of it's gone. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I'm not eating it.
If you like this though, go to Starbucks and get their pumpkin bread. It's literally life-changing. Best thing I've ever eaten. This is like...
I got this at Walmart.
Yeah, that's like 8 out of 10. The Starbucks one is 10 out of 10.
I say this is 10 out of 10.
No, because you haven't had the Starbucks one.
Okay.
Do the Pop-Tarts.
Okay. But these I also ate like the whole entire bag. They're the pecan pie M&Ms.
Not a
10
fan.
out of 10.
Not a fan. Not a fan.
You suck.
2 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Wow, so underwhelming every time.
It looks a lot
Yeah.
You split it. I don't eat the crust.
I don't either.
So I split it in half.
Yep. It's okay.
Like a 4, 5.
Yeah, I'm going with 4. And maybe even like a 3.
Yeah. As you eat it, it gets worse.
Yeah. It just tastes like cardboard.
Yeah. Well, what most Pop-Tarts do.
Pumpkin spice cardboard.
Alright, let's eat this nasty yogurt. Ugh.
Ew, that's like kind of warm now.
I'm not about this life. I'm gonna take the first bite so I don't get your spit. It's warm as shit. Just wait till it touches your lips. It's so warm.
It's not bad though.
It's not bad, it's just warm.
Yeah.
It's like a 5. It's okay.
I give it like a 7 because I love yogurt, so.
I'm very particular with yogurt.
I like that a lot. 7.
But it's warm, so
yeah.
Don't eat that shit warm.
Last 2. We'll go with this one.
Yeah, because these ones will be pretty good, hopefully.
That's what we think.
I'm not looking forward to this one at all.
Why? Because it's so thick.
It's too much. After everything we eat, just too much.
Jesus, I'm just like throwing everything. It's actually not bad.
I know, it's just too much for me.
No, like it really. Oh.
Yeah. Pumpkin spice ho-ho, basically. I love ho-hos.
Not like, it's not too pumpkin.
Yeah,
either.
that one's good.
I like that.
That's not nearly...
I would say that's like an 8.
7. Yeah, that wasn't nearly as bad as what I thought.
I thought it was gonna be way too thick. No, it's fine.
Yeah, that was good. Not bad. Alright, these.
She's being very quiet.
Yeah, that's why I keep looking, because when my child is quiet, shit is going down. Ew. I don't like the icing. The pumpkin's like whatever, but the icing is disgusting. The icing's like the really, really too sweet.
I don't think
stuff.
I like anything about it. It's like the too real pumpkin-y flavor that like reminds me of pumpkin pie, and I hate pumpkin
Oh, see, I love pumpkin pie. I like the outside the bread because I like real pumpkin things, but the icing is not good.
Yeah, not for me.
Not about that.
I'd say that's like a
2.
I'd say 3.
Yeah. I say 3.
She said 3 too.
You're so cute. You're so cute. Hi, hi, hi. You're so cute. You're so cute. Hi, hi, hi.
What is she doing to you, Dana?
Yeah, my mom's on
What
drugs.
is she doing?
Not actually.
Disclaimer.
Disclaimer. Okay, ready? This is your
Wave.
outro. Wave, sit on your...
Wave.
Ready? Look at the camera. Okay. Peace out.
Okay, well, that is it for this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Follow me on all of my social media in the description below, and turn on my post notifications so you never miss a post. Also, go subscribe to her YouTube channel. That'll also be in the description along with her other social media. But that is it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Say bye. Say bye.